It's currently 1:43 p.m. and people will be arriving soon. It's very rainy. I'm going to go and wash my bollocks. I'll see you later. Hey, Spumble! Guess what?
What? I
just went to the bowl cleansing facility and now I'm all ready for my family Easter adventure.
Great Uncle Stuart's waiting downstairs. We won't even go down because you're ripping Malcolm in the Middle.
I'm ripping Malcolm in the Middle on DVD and I just cleansed my bollocks.
And you need to do a poo.
And I need to do a poo, but I might have to hold it off. Because it could. Great Uncle Stuart's very old. It might give him heart arrhythmia.
Watch the tutorial. What's it?
Yeah, see, that's the face of recognition of bed.
Bed? Oh my god, she's not interested. And
come on to bed. Come on.
And
yeah.
It's curious. Bed.
Success. Now let's go down and say hello to our old family
Older than
members.
this? I don't think so.
How are you feeling about Easter today, Mum?
Good, darling.
Can you give us a grand tour of what you prepared?
2 vegans.
But what have you prepared there?
I've made the traditional chicken.
Chicken!
I'll make some nice gravy, some wine and mustard
lovely.
and accoutrement.
How you feeling, mate?
Pretty fucking good, dog.
Oh.
Embrace me! Alright. Yeah! Sounds ridiculous.
Are you excited for Easter?
No, I'm not excited at all.
What'd you get?
And I'm with you.
Kath, where are we going to put the carcass in?
Hello, Governor. Excited about Easter?
Yeah, it's good. I got chocolate.
Oh, where's your chocolate?
They're at home.
You ate them already?
I didn't eat them.
You Grady guts.
I didn't eat them.
He's attempting to feed Olive.
Supreme Court was just across the road.
Attempt complete. Do another one. Quick.
No!
Used to go running through.
Ew!
You're mad.
You have to do an impression of it.
Unbelievable.
Alright, impression?
I don't know, the practicing sort of striking runs or whatever.
You have to double your risk.
Yeah, there are funny days, alright.
Hey, if you want to look intimidating and scare the shit out of everyone,
No.
well, not you, but just do this.
It wasn't just Pearl Harbor, it was lots before Pearl Harbor.
Happy Easter, Libby.
How are you feeling? No, it's not a photo.
Happy Easter.
How are you feeling on this beautiful Easter day?
Fantastic.
Oh, fantastic.
And it's wet, so I like it, so it's cool.
Yeah, see, look, she's not lying. Good job with the Denny, Mum.
Is it okay?
Did a very good job with Denny. How's your Denny?
Terrible. I really hate it.
I got chicken on my leg.
You got chicken? Show me.
And ham.
Dearest Daddy, how's your food?
So let's hope it's not too bad.
It's really, it's quite, it's kind of tasty. It's kind of really nice.
Is that your phone?
That's my,
If I can go through that, I'll probably
That's
go
your
through
actual
this
bone. And you've taken that.
Oh, lovely.
Celebration.
Did you like your pumpkin, Mia? Did you think it was a good one? Hey, Catherine, you did a great job with the potatoes.
Here again, may I say, you have demonstrated all the true qualities of a warrior.
I'm very disenchanted with the legal system. Time to eat your peas, woman.
It's a Stuart portion.
No, it's your favourite cousin in the world.
She's eating cheese.
Give her a hug. Welcome hug. There's Mum in the background, looking like John Rambo. What's that?
Chicken.
You excited for Easter?
Oh!
Oh! Looks like baby doll.
You guys like it?
No.
Wait, let me zoom in.
Oh my god. Oh, that's so bad.
Happy Easter, old animal. Happy Easter. Happy Easter, old one. Hello.
Be free, my animal. Daddy, time for chocolate review.
So, you know, like Seinfeld when he sold
Robbie Carl, farewell on your honeymoon.
Oh, that's good. That's what I. And then jump into the bin. Thank you for the coffee, Lily. Goodbye, Suki. Right, I'm gonna cut the video short now. Good Easter. Pretty good. Lots of demented shenanigans and, you know, sex. But yeah. Anyway, everyone's downstairs watching RuPaul's Drag Race, so I'm gonna do a poo and then I'm gonna go join them. Bye.